this is some of the basic things that you will use in embroidery. Your bobbins. We carry two different kinds, the magnetic bobbins and your coats bobbins. The difference between your magnetic is going to go around your bobbin case, which we also carry. And it's going to have a smooth turning. So when your machine is moving, it's smoother than a cotton siding. So we carry both of them, the magnetic and the paper sided. Some of the scissors that we carry are your nippers that you don't have to have any fingers in, and your scissors with this fine point. We carry the oiler that is point. And that when you're putting in a drop, because that's all you need is in your machine is a drop of oil. That's what this gives you, is just a drop. And it can fit inside all the crevices that you need to get into. This is solvay. Solvay is used on top of any knits. So if you're doing a knit shirt, a sweatshirt, a letterman's jacket, any kind of knit type, you want to put this on. What this does is it holds your stitches up on top of your garment. So if you're doing fine lettering in it, it won't sink into the holes in your garment. So that's what this is and this. We carry it by squares and we carry it by the roll. This is the sticky backing that I was talking to. More people know this in the home industry, but more people in the commercial industry are using it because it's giving the dry fit shirts that stability. And this is a stitch eraser. So how you use this is you're on the back of your garment and you have it upside down and you're crossing your stitches to cut them off, and then you can pull them out. So if you make a mistake, you can fix it with the stitch eraser. A little bit hard on knit shirts because people aren't using enough cutaway backing. Some people are using a tearaway, which I never recommend. Always a cutaway, but that makes it easier for you to remove the stitches.